So, it's been a funny old summer, hasn't it? Really baking hot in early July, and then rain ever since. So some things have done well and other things have definitely not. So look at our lovely flowers. So here's our beautiful rose. That was very good in June, and now it's come back. And look at these echinaeas. Aren't they lovely? So we've harvested all the onions and garlic. The onions didn't do very well. They didn't like the wet and got rotten. Sunflowers, we put sunflowers in just for fun, and they're looking nice. Sweet peas. We've been doing well with our sweet peas because I've been relentless in picking them and picking off the dead and the seed pods. And if you can do that, then they do keep going. We had brilliant gooseberries. They've all gone now. And I'm going to do a still picture later of potatoes. The potatoes have been fantastic. We don't normally grow them. We haven't grown them before. But this year they've been really good. I've taken a couple out there, and these ones here are just waiting to be dug. So I'll dig one later and show you a still picture. Tomatoes are disastrous. The blights come, apparently it's everywhere in the neighbourhood. I've got one plant here with a few tomatoes still on it, but I think looking at it closely, telltale brown patch means the blight's got it, so I'll probably pick the green tomatoes. Carrots have been hopeless. We've got about one in the whole row. I don't know why that is. There's some nice kale here. I keep it well covered from the birds, but you can see little kale plants doing well for later. And what I really want to show you is the greengages. Just look at all these greengages. Well, they're not quite ready for picking, but another week or two we'll have so many we won't know what to do with them. We might make some jam, but we don't eat a lot of jam. Maybe give it away as Christmas presents. So that's it for today, and talk again in September.